Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings, go to Connections, and toggle NFC on so the radio is live. Once done, swipe down the quick panel to confirm the NFC icon is active and that power saving is off. That ensures steady signal strength. Make sure the phone is unlocked and any app you plan to use is open, since some tags require an app ready to receive data. Also remove thick cases or metal mounts that can block the antenna. This gives you the best read/write chance immediately. Now you'll perform the core action. Center the top back of your Samsung A36 over the NFC tag or card and hold steady for 1 to 3 seconds. Make sure the app you need is open. If a permission prompt appears, allow it so the phone can access NFC. When the phone detects the tag, select Read, Write, or Payment mode as required. Follow on-screen prompts to confirm data transfer or payment. If writing a tag, enter the payload in the app and tap to write. Wait for vibration or confirmation tone before removing. Finish by checking for a vibration or notification that confirms the action. Open the app to verify the data or transaction. If the phone didn't detect the tag, make sure NFC is still enabled. Then toggle it off and on, restart the phone, and try again without the case. These quick resets resolve most signal issues. If problems persist, clear the NFC app cache, install system updates, and verify the tag's format is supported. One key troubleshooting tip is to restart the phone before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.